Hey Daniel, I'm just going to show you real quick how to get a photo into your timeline. So you're going to go to Add Events. You're going to add your title. You'll type your description here. When you do the dates, just make sure that they're in the order of the film. It doesn't have to do anything, the date doesn't have anything to do with the film except for that it just goes in order of how the film went. So, oh, okay, sorry about that. So say I want, a picture from The Lion King. This one looks good. I'm going to right click it, hit save image. I always save everything into my downloads so it's easy to find. So there we go. Saved it to my downloads. Oops. I'm going to come back over here, upload. Here's my picture, open. And it is processing. So now you're gonna hit create event, and there it is right there. If for some reason you made an event and you didn't add a picture at first, you just hit create event and there's no picture. All you have to do is click on it and it pops back up, and then you can pick your picture from there. So you're gonna have to upload pictures in order to make this work correctly, but that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions.